Alright, man, we back with another one. Working on the truck. Finna get ready to do a tune up on the truck, man. Y'all stay tuned for this one, man. We finna do a little something, man. We got a little issue with the headers, burning the plugs, man. So hopefully this little fix we finna do will fix it, man. Y'all stay tuned for this. Alright, so man, the last time y'all might have seen this truck, it wasn't insured. It didn't have no insurance on it. Now I got insurance on it. Everything good, it's registered. So now it's time to change out some stuff, man. I don't know when the last time this truck had a tune up anything on it, but the wires, man, they pretty bad, man. The wires pretty bad shape. So we gonna get these switched out real quick. Possibly change out that distributor at some point. But yeah, man, y'all stand by, man. Let me go get the new stuff. Alright, so man, this is what we got. These are the plugs. The header plugs. Supposed to help with all that, man. All that burning the wires and stuff, man. So these supposed to help with it. It's supposed to be a little shorter, but we'll compare them, man. And we got some JDM speed wires. They're a little bit thicker than the original wires. A whole lot thicker. But let me go grab my tools, man, and we finna get started on this thing. Alright, so man, the only thing you should need for this job is a ratchet, maybe some extensions, I ain't sure, and a 5/8 or say a 16mm spark plug socket. Got the little rubber thing down in there to hold a spark plug. That's all you need. Alright, so man, it's this simple. It goes 1, 3, 5, 7 on this side, and then on the other side it goes 2, 4, 6, 8. If you ever need to, wire up a distributor or something, man, but that's usually how it goes on these old trucks and the newer V8s too. So just a tip, man. Some of y'all might have knew that, but just another tip for those who might have not knew. Alright, man, the camera gonna be at a crazy angle, man, but really the only way I got to prop it up. But we're finna get to it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Gonna push it on there. Or it might be easier to get your socket on there first. So we're gonna put the socket on there first. Then I'm gonna come behind it with the ratchet. I'm gonna use the extension too, man, because it's in a little bad spot. So we're gonna put a little short extension on it. Alright, the rest of the way I'm gonna just unthread it by hand, man. See what we got. Alright, man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I don't know how to read no spark plug, but these most definitely ain't the worst ones I done seen. But since we got some more, we're gonna go and change them out. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, man, before I stick the new one in, I just want to show y'all the difference, the size comparison. I guess these supposed to help out with the clearance on the headers right here. But that one's pretty good way shorter than the other one, so hopefully won't have no issues with this one, but we sure finna find out. Alright, here we go. I'm doing one at a time, man. I'm gonna go ahead and thread the new one back in by hand, because you most definitely don't want to cross thread this thing, man. So thread that one in by hand, pull out the next one, try to leave them in order the best I can. The same thing, we're gonna put the socket on there first until it go all the way on there. Extension on it. Alright, we're gonna finish it up by hand. Matter of fact, we're gonna do this one all by hand, because the socket is in the way, so gonna pull this one out. There that one is. Looks about the same. Alright, so man, this is the old spark plug that came off. I'm just curious to see what it was gapped at. This right here is the little thing that we use to check the gap. Has all the numbers on it. Real simple method. You stick it in here. Stick it in the right there. Just twist it around. So this right here is at right at 45. Alright, let's get these plugs in here, man. You always want to start them with your hand, because if you don't, cross thread them and then you got a problem. Simple job turn into a hard job. I got 2 more back here. I'm gonna leave the wires on. I ain't gonna pull the wires off yet, because I like to take them and match them up. Oh, that one don't want to come off. There we go. So after a while, we're gonna have this truck maybe alright. It ain't gonna be fast, I can tell you that right now, but we might can have it doing alright, enough to apply a little bit of pressure, just a little bit. That's the goal at the end of the day. Alright, so this is the next part, man, and I'm gonna pull this cap off. I'm gonna pull this breather off so y'all can get a better look at it. Probably best for me too, so I don't make no mistakes, because I ain't no mechanic. I just have somebody show me how to do it, and pretty much it. Got this old Edelbrock carburetor on here, man. But anyway, so I usually like to pull off one wire at a time, man. Match them up by the length. Pull them off one wire at a time, put them back on the same place, match them up by the length. So Cause they usually go, you know, by the length, just like these right here. Got all the wires out the box, got them all laid out. Got one of them actually hooked up to the distributor. Man, a lot thicker wire, man, lot. I'm gonna put them side by side, man. Look at this. But yeah, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these wires switched out real quick, man, and get these plugs tightened down, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Alright, we got this side done. Got this side all buttoned up, man. Pretty much same thing on the other side, man. So I ain't gonna record it. I'm gonna just come back in, man, when I get it all wired up and get all the new plugs in it. And we're gonna try to see if we can do a cold start on it, man, because I have a little issue starting up. So we're gonna see if that was it, or if I need some carburetor tuning, man. So we're gonna find out right here. Alright, man, we got the new wires and plugs on. Everything on. Gotta get something and kind of neaten them up, hold them together. But I mean, they sit a little different off of the header. This one right here real long, man. So I really got to kind of tuck them back, neaten them up. But you know, that ain't gonna stop us from doing the start. So let's see what happens. Alright, man, like I was saying, before we get into that though, man, let me show y'all what I done did. I know last time y'all might have seen the truck, it didn't have the bezel or the dash in. The dash looked bad, man. It looked real bad, but I'm gonna get all that fixed once I start working on it. Got a tilt column in here now. Didn't have that in here, so found me a tilt column. Put me a little gauge in here, man. No shift light, no need for it, but just got a shift light in here. Just want to show y'all what I done to it. That's pretty much it. Still got to put the door panels on both sides. Got the light working up there, and got my PullsTv logo on the back. So when you see this truck, you'll know what truck it is, man. PullsTv. Yes, sir. Alright, man, let's go and get this started in. Let's see what happens. No pat, no nothing. Oh, something ain't right. Y'all stay tuned. Man, I had 2 wires hooked up, but man, look who just pulled up, man. We got some more parts coming in. UPS. Alright, man, we had the wires crossed. We're gonna try it again. There we go. That sound more like it, man. I got it right. More turn downs on now, man. Old turn downs, baby. Running clean, running good. Yes, sir. Alright, so man, that's it for this episode, man. So y'all tune in for the next episode, man. We're going to change the exhaust. And we're gonna be doing some stuff, man. We finna go ahead and get this truck right, man. Y'all stay tuned to the next video.